What is up, my beautiful babes and gibs of the world? It's your girl Itskeilynnn, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video.
Perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Right, dropped up and tasted.
Now, before we get started with this look, I want to apologize for missing yesterday. I didn't expect to be at work as early as I was yesterday. Normally I record right before, or not right before I go to work, but hours and edit and everything before I go to work. And yesterday, the time I had to go to work is normally the time I would record, so it kind of it didn't happen yesterday. And then on top of that, when I got home, I didn't expect to be as tired as I was. So I am so sorry that I did not record yesterday. Also, don't judge me, this is my bed head because it is Christmas. So first I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone, and I just want to do a simple look for you guys. So for today, I'm just going to keep it on the, if you have a family dinner and you want to be simple yet make a statement, this is the look that you want to do. So I've already done the base of the face, which means I've done the foundation, the concealer, and the contour. Next up is the eyes. I've already prepped my eyes off camera, so I'm going to go into my Zulu palette, and I'm going to take this brown here and add that all over the eyes. I'm going to go into the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going to add Fez on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up and conceal it with some concealer, and we're going to move on to the next step. On my eye, I'm going to go back into the Saharan palette, and I'm going to add Zora, which is this. I'm going to add Zora, which is this really gorgeous reddish color, and I'm going to add that onto the middle of the eye. I'm going to take the shade Nomad, and I'm going to add that on the inner corner of the eye. And I'm going to add a bit of Marrakesh, and I'm going to add that onto the on top of Nomad. Now that we have our eyes, I'm going to do lashes and eyeliner off camera. I'm not going to add eyelashes today. I'm just going to do a simple mascara and a simple wing, and then I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so now that I am done with that, I also went ahead and smoked out the bottom lash line, and I also went ahead and added faux freckles. That step is optional, you do not have to. I just felt like I wanted to, so I went ahead and added some. So now I'm going to move on to blush. And for my blush, I'm just going to use the Profusion Cosmetics 6 shade blush palette, and I'm going to use Great. I'm only going to use Great today because I feel like it just goes with this eye look. So now onto highlight, I'm just going to go into Heartfelt, and I'm going to highlight my cheeks. So now I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm gonna do something that I started doing yesterday. So I'm trying to find my lip liner. I took my NYX pencil, the NYX Professional Makeup Pencil, and this is in the shade Nebula. And then I took the Cashmere Hard Candy in the shade Gelato, and I lined it with this, which is like a really, really deep purple, and then I put this like really soft pink on top of it, and it came out really pretty. So I'm going to do that again. Now you could just do this with any purple liner and any pink gloss any pink gloss that you have, because it honestly, to me, it turned out really pretty. So now guys, it's time for setting spray, and this will have completed the look. And this, guys, is a completed look. Thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you guys for sticking around for technically 11 days of Christmas, but 12 days of Christmas series. Once again, I want to apologize for not posting yesterday. It's just, I really tried. I really thought I was going to do it, but I did not expect work to interfere with YouTube. So, always remember to stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got this.